Hello, we discuss about the screening of antibiotic producers from the soil. Myself, Dr. Kamthani DC from Department of Microbiology, SGB College, Purna. We first see the screening. The screening, it is defined as isolation characterization of industrially valuable microorganism from mixed population of microorganisms using highly selective procedures is called as the screening. And the screening involves two stages. First, it is the primary screening, and second, it is the secondary screening. The word antibiotic, it is meaning the against life. An antibiotic is a type of antimicrobial substance. It is produced by one microorganism and it is inhibitory to the second organism, and therefore this is the antimicrobial substance. Alexander Fleming in 1928 firstly discovered accidentally the penicillin antibiotic. He noticed that the fungus Penicillium notatum had contaminated a culture of Staphylococcus aureus, and he noticed that the Penicillium organism, it is producing the zone of clearance or zone of inhibition around itself and inhibiting the growth of Staphylococcus aureus. Then he purified the fungus and named as Penicillium notatum. We seen that this is having two types of the screening procedures. First one, it is the primary screening, and second it is the secondary screening. In the primary screening, the organism, these are screened or isolated, and further study of the organisms which are isolated in primary screening, these are studied in secondary screening. For this screening of antibiotic producers, the crowded plate technique, it is used. In this, first serial dilutions of the soil sample, these are prepared, and from this 0.1 ml it is spread on the nutrient agar. These plates are incubated, and after incubation the plate showing 300 to 400 colonies, this is selected because this plate shows the touching of the colonies, and this is showing the zone of inhibition. The colony showing antibiotic production, this is showing around itself the zone of inhibition around itself. These colonies which are showing the antibiotic production, these are purified, and these are stock prepared from these colonies. Requirements: soil sample, nutrient agar medium. We see the composition of nutrient agar: peptone 1 gram, meat extract 0.3 gram, sodium chloride 0.5 gram, and distilled water, it is 100 ml. Firstly, take 100 ml distilled water and to this add peptone, then meat extract, and then sodium chloride. These contents are mixed well. The pH, it is adjusted to 7.4 with the help of 0.1 normal HCl and 0.1 normal NaOH. Then to this add agar powder 2.5 grams. This agar, it is melted on the burner, and after this is plugged with the cotton and wrapped with the paper, and it is autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Next requirement: sterile pipettes and 9 ml sterile saline tubes we also require. Procedure: firstly, weigh accurately 1 gram of the soil sample and dissolve in 100 ml of the sterile distilled water. From this, take 1 ml soil suspension and aseptically transfer to 9 ml sterile saline. This is giving 1:10 or 10 to the power of -1 dilution. From this again take 1 ml and inoculate in the 9 ml sterile saline tube. This is giving 1:100 dilution or 10 to the power of -2 dilution. Again, from this dilution take 1 ml and add in 9 ml sterile saline, and this is giving 1:1000 dilution or 10 to the power of -3 dilution. From the last dilution take 0.1 ml soil suspension and transfer it to the sterile Petri plate aseptically. To this suspension add 15 ml of cooled and molten nutrient agar to the Petri plate. Mix the suspension and the agar and then allow for the solidification. After solidification, incubate the plate at 30 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After incubation, observe the colony which is showing the zone of clearance or inhibition around itself, and it is selected as an antibiotic producer. This is the observation and result, that is the colony which is showing the zone of inhibition around itself, it is taken as an antibiotic producer. This is further purified by sticking on the nutrient agar, and from this pure culture it is obtained, and this is stored as a stock culture. Thank you for your listening.